Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to see one more AI tool, that is TextFX. Okay, so it's a collection of 10 tools that can help writers and creative minds explore new ideas and generate creative text. And TextFX is an AI experiment from Google that uses its Palm tool large language model to generate creative text. It's an AI-powered tools for rappers, writers, wordsmiths, and is definitely it is going to be a great tool for the educators and all other content writers. So let's now deep dive into the practical scenarios. Okay.
9 rupees. 9 rupees cannot even buy you this packet of biscuit. But what if I tell you that 9 rupees can help you save your job? What if I tell you that 9 rupees can 3x your salary? Yes, this is possible because I am going to conduct a workshop at just rupees 9 on ChatGPT and other AI tools, which is highly recommended for all working professionals out there.
So this is the link. We should go over here. When you type TextFX, you will get into this. You can see over here, these are all the things like you can see SIMILE, this is for explode and this is for unexpected. So let's see how it works. Okay. So we need to write something over here. Okay. So based on that, it is for example, SIMILE, simile, right? Create a simile about a thing or concept. Okay. So I'll be writing such that I'll be writing like a creativity. Okay. Okay, I'm writing creativity. Now let's see. If you look over here, it is writing. So creativity is like a river, always flowing, always changing, always new. So when you want to know about some creativity, okay, you need to frame some words. Okay, like if you are a creator, if you are a means like a if you want to write some stories, you want to make some words. You are means just waiting what to use for creativity. So at that time you can use not only that you can put if you view all, it is giving like creativity is like a river flowing freely and abundantly when its source is unblocked, but becoming stagnant and polluted when it is dammed up. Okay, so like that it is giving nearly like 7 points about creativity. Okay, wellspring bubbling up. So based on the means scenarios and based on the need, you can pick it up. Okay, so that is about this. Okay, and the next is explode. Okay, so explode what we can do means like enter a word, like it is break a word into similar sounding phrases. So it is breaking. Okay, so I'll be giving like adventure. Okay, I'm giving like adventure. So let's see what it is. So it is making the frames actually. A door venture, adventure, yeah, execution through a doorway. Okay, this is first point. If you want to go for second point, or if you want to use see the full points, and venture, a new undertaking, the meaning. An adventure, the arrival of a social event. If you're from literature background, you may be means understood well. Actually, a door and venture. So you may be understanding now what is the exact point it is doing. And this is unexpected. Okay, next thing is like unexpected. Make a scene more unexpected and imaginative. Okay, so it is asking enter a scene. Okay, I'm giving skipping the meal. Okay, let's see. Skipping the meal and eating a bowl of nails instead. Maybe it's for the fun phrase. Maybe it could be skipping the meal while eating a bowl of jelly beans, and skipping the meal at a restaurant that is only open for 15 minutes a day. And so it's giving all the phrases, skipping the meal and eating a spoonful of dirt instead. Okay, so these are the you can modify the temperature. Okay, that also you can try it out actually. Okay, so that is about the unexpected. And the next is like chain, right? Okay, build a chain of semantically related items. Okay, that is called a chain. So I'll be making like ocean. Okay, let's see what it is giving. Oh, let's wait. It can build a lot of creativity. ocean, wave, beach, sand, castle, kingdom. Okay, this is one. The next will be, and you can see all the things: tsunami, earthquake, destruction, bomb, a grenade, explosion. So all the meaningful things, it is like what are the chains it can form a words of combination into that it is bringing. And the next will be like POV. Okay, so what is POV? Evaluate a topic through different points of view. Okay, so like what we can make like artificial intelligence. Okay, so let's see what it is bringing about artificial intelligence. Is the future or is it the end of the days? The next point, like artificial intelligence, a threat to humanity. If you want to make a title, right? So you can use this POV. Is a bunch of code and that's dangerous. Is the only thing that can save us from ourselves. So it's giving varied points about. So it all depends on the scenario, right? Where you want to use it. If you want to use this for publications, or if you want to make a title, right? If when you are doing some research on artificial intelligence, it can definitely help. Okay, and like next will be like alliteration. Okay, create a specific create topic specific words that start with a chosen letter. So we need to choose with the letter. Okay, and we need to give. Okay, animals I'm giving. Okay, animals I am starting with B. Okay, not only animals, it's up to you. Okay, wherever. So let's see. So baboon, yeah, that is correct. Baboon starts with B. Badger. Okay, bat, bear, bee, bird, bison, boar, buck, buffalo. So like this way also you can, because if you are from educator, right, it can definitely help you. You are from a school, or if you want to make some publications, definitely it can help you. Okay, that is one. And last, what we can see like that, you can write actually. This is a wrap. Okay, so create a acronym using the letters of a word. So if you give some word, right, it will bring some more words from it. Okay. For example, if I'm giving bat, okay, let's see, you will understand now. BAT. So it is forming. Is there any word it can form? Beautiful, awesome things. Okay, bat. And like bringing awesome things. And we'll see here. Balls are terrible. Better at thinking. Be alert today. Okay. So like I'm just giving, okay, in our office we used to give TGIF. Okay. Let's see. Thank God it's Friday. Yeah, I was waiting for this. So it correctly brought. Okay. So I hope guys now you understood what is TextFX and how it is helping for the educators. So definitely it will help you. So thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.